Reggae and dancehall legend Buju Banton, affectionately known as Gargamel, has found himself in the center of a social media storm after a video of him gyrating on stage went viral. Internet trolls quickly rebranded him Go Go Mel, sparking heated debate among fans and critics alike. Buju wasn't about to let the backlash slide. In response to the criticism, he fired off a message dripping with his trademark conviction. Guys, calm down. I do what I love with passion. If I was just standing and singing, you all would have something to say. Leave me, let me entertain my fans. Go tell your favorite artists they need to perform and stop robbing the people. Thank you, learn something, or leave it. Period.
Read more at JamaicaLiveNews.com.
Jamaica Live, your trusted news source, both locally and internationally. Please like, share, comment, and contribute to the conversation. Support independent media. Your donations are not just appreciated, they are essential to keeping Jamaica Live alive and thriving. Join us in making a difference. Donate today. Scan the QR code on our website or donate via PayPal to JamaicaLiveTVNews@gmail.com.